If you're building a website in Squarespace 7.1, learning how to use Device View in Fluid Engine is one of the fastest ways to make your design look great on every screen. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch between desktop and mobile layouts, how to move blocks around, and how to resize elements so your site looks polished on phones, tablets, and larger screens. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and step-by-step website tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the page you want to edit. This could be your home page, an about page, a contact page, or any page that uses the Fluid Engine editor. Once you're on the correct page, click Edit in the top left corner of the website preview screen. That opens the page editor and brings up all of your design controls. Now, look toward the top right corner of your browser window. This is where you'll find the device view icons. These icons let you preview and edit your page for different screen sizes, which is extremely important because a layout that looks perfect on desktop can sometimes look crowded or misaligned on mobile. Start by clicking the desktop icon. This is usually shown as a stylized computer screen. When you select it, you're editing the widescreen desktop layout. This view is useful for arranging your content across a larger grid, spacing out the text, placing images side by side, and building a clean layout for laptop and desktop users. Next, click the mobile icon, which looks like a cell phone. This switches you over to your smartphone layout grid. In Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine, mobile editing is especially important because the mobile version often needs its own adjustments. What looks balanced on desktop may need to be stacked, resized, or moved on mobile so visitors can read and interact with it easily. Once you're in mobile view, you can start refining the layout. Click and hold any text block, image block, or button block, then drag it to a new grid cell. This lets you position content so it fits the narrower mobile screen better. For example, if a button feels too far down the page or an image is pushing text out of view, you can move those blocks into a cleaner spot with just a drag and drop. If you need to make an element smaller for phone screens, use the blue edge handles on the corners of the block. Click and drag those handles to resize the block until it fits better within the mobile layout. This is a simple but powerful step because resizing can help prevent awkward cropping, improve readability, and make your call to action buttons easier to tap. As you edit, keep switching between desktop view and mobile view so you can compare how each version looks. That way, you're not just designing for one screen size, you're making sure your site works everywhere. A good mobile layout can improve user experience, keep visitors on the page longer, and help your site feel more professional overall. If you notice a text block overlapping another section or an image taking up too much space, just adjust the block position and size until the layout feels clean. The goal is to make each section easy to scan and visually balanced, especially on smaller screens where space is limited. And that's how to use Device View on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. You now know how to open the editor, switch between desktop and mobile layouts, drag blocks to new positions, and resize elements using the blue handles. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.